Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the third position we have the grid lines option. By using this button we can turn them on and turn them off as we need. For now let me keep them turned on. Let's go back to the camera, and now in the preview we have these lines. This is useful for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we can tap to the left corner once again, slide again to the useful features and use this button to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.